Hello guys, today's video is going to be about retrofitting power folding mirrors on my Astra H. Couple of days ago I got two of these power folding mirrors from eBay. Unfortunately they came from $5 Astra, while my own Astra H is Twintop. Basically the power folding mechanism, this part over here, is the same on every Astra H, but there is a slight difference in the mirror base, this part here which attaches to the door, and on the 5-door Astras this part is bigger and with different shape. So it's not going to be an easy task to retrofit the 5-door Astra power folding mirrors on my Twintop Astra, and the plan is to remove the power folding part, this part here, and place it on my own mirror base. This is a very long and painful process because you have to disassemble the whole mirror assembly, everything basically, and while doing so I will clean the mirror assembly, open and inspect the motor and the motor gears, put some grease in there, and hopefully after that I will be able to reassemble the whole thing on my own mirror base. So pay attention in the video. Firstly, you want to remove the mirror itself, and this is done by simply pulling it like this out of the mirror assembly. You have to remove the heating wires like this. This is going to some cleaning. Next, you have some bolts, two bolts holding this plastic trim over here, so let's remove them next. And here goes this plastic trim. Now you have to remove the three bolts holding the metal frame to the outside plastic trim, but this is not going to help you at all unless you are able to remove this retainer over here, and it's quite difficult to do so, and the best option is to go to the nearby store and buy two new retainers, one for each of the mirrors, in case you're not able to remove the old or you snap them. I'm almost certain that I won't be able to remove the retainer because I have already snapped the retainer on the other mirror. Here I'm going to try with some pliers. Or even with something heavier. Unfortunately, I won't be able to do so. And here it goes, the metal retainer. It's a good idea to keep it so you have an example of what you're looking for when you go to the store. Now, as you can see, the assembly is quite free, but still you won't be able to detach it. Now you have to remove the mirror engine. Sorry, it's not an engine, it's a motor, a regulating motor. Next, you have to unclip the connector. Now we have detached the regulating motor. You have to remove the cables from the power folding motor also. Here you go. And now basically nothing is holding the power folding part. Pay attention not to lose these spacers. Because you will need them. And it is done. I even didn't have to remove the plastic trim from the metal frame. Next, I will remove the power folding motor, open it, clean it and grease it. Next step is to remove, oops, my bad, to remove the 3 screws holding the metal frame to the plastic trim. just like that. And to release the motor gear from the frame, so we can open the and inspect the motor. All done. Now, to open the motor, you have to unclip this plastic part over here. So you need a really small screwdriver and gently unclip each of the holding points. And here you can see the motor gears. So I will be removing all of them. I will clean them, clean the whole assembly, put some grease in it and close it.